This has come as a very big surprise to the lovers of For the Records and Okatakyie Afrifa. My Afrifa show so about ban adofun they are no. This news has come to you as a very great news, fantastic, lovely. What I say? Interesting news ever. Afrifa For the Records show they will see our scholarship to study law in USC, Yukon School of Law. Afrifa enya scholarship. You very home come on. No more nchirimu. No achire wadwen amame. Ewa comment section. Aha you Penyah Block Media. Mess was any deal. Probably like if video no other but subscribe button, shamba click the notification icon for latest updates. Aba chire wadwen dia amame. Ewa comment section. Mess was obaswa. No achire for so enya bi ahwe. Etenye no free for the record. Odi ahene we show host. And also school. In fact, in the daily activities, also pa name free for ayen. Also. Na GIMPA school Ghana Institute of Management and Public Administration GIMPA emabo see Afrifa wa born untimi pass wa tena GIMPA wa che wa tena GIMPA be 9 years o wie school ni da and there and fa ko see ha and fa me who is GIMPA and say SHS I don't can say just 3 years per interest me we are we any plan transfer just any repeat no GIMPA on university and university name obetima upgrade wo ho school na mu obetima confess 4 years degree where we that first degree obetima say second degree wo school na mu obetima ya many ayi nyina top up e wo school na mu eti bi na Afrifa ya ba yeri am say Afrifa wa bon and wentimi pass it about a month getting to 2 months ago Afrifa ba live na live ni mo no elebetum say oh nyame adom school na or call e wo GIMPA no oh we na we twa boom we chama just a word chama enye twaketo a the GPA or the ababontin the GPA ni na de massa we twa boom. Now was on 18th August 2025 and Afrifa esaba live bi that was the last live obaya o mebi na live no so no Afrifa edin sem to yanim amiata say after that particular show obego break na break no ebe check akra in fact ebe check pa
Regman of we be this uncommon. We be some topics in any of whom be a bani and no. Name of the general. Obe resume. Someone am raising. I go for man for 80. Ya kuyanim. Omo nyina say show no. Name of ye we show no. Ebia ye be co break for a while. Medical catch up say some no ye be break. Ye MPP die no. Ye school die. Ye say. Ye say. Ni nyina ye be wi.
It will take a while before say be kunu was about live beam no ebeche oka asem we e won the last live obaye etra ye bi say okay ne so say ebeche ko no for sure odi ahene osa ye adwuma ana oko school any ade ne ma o ye edos internet e common and go kwa na unusual basis it will be 2 weeks 3 weeks a month kra na o ma the live ni studio tin me ye program bi na wa ma isi come kra no the program no come at the amount for any ade everything was Penyah na Afrifa ko ba da be wo kire ne ho ebo 8 ebe ba Penyah so o ma o kire ne ho kasa ne kasa maye o kire ne ho ne am do munya abotre obeba ase munya abotre obeba na bu say Afrifa e ka la sem na ye nyina ye go so e twen so okay ne nya bia we ku bia nyame enka ho ala say odwuma wo ye mu school akọ nyame enka ho ene ade e say any say enra anwumre no ana For the Records a page e be make post bi e wo o Facebook page so ana o kire mu e say Okatakyie Afrifa secures scholarship to pursue LLM in the USA. Young Kabi, firebrand and hard-hitting journalist Okatakyie Afrifa has been awarded a scholarship to study for a Master of Laws (LLM) degree at the University of Connecticut, Yukon, in the United States of America. Just say everywhere we again panel. When you scholarship, I can study Master of Laws. Ewo Yukon, that is University of Connecticut, Yukon, USC. Afrifa a student of law at the Ghana Institute of Management and Public Administration, GIMPA, and as one of the students with the highest GPA, was selected under the ongoing academic exchange program between GIMPA and Yukon. Just Owe school no, Owe GIMPA no. He was one of the students with the highest GPA. But the people are being because so about life let's say or chirem brand mu a prepare a quote constitution ha aso no na clear hey it's a prepare quote constitution section the clauses the constitution master aso no na clear the last one I was even wondering akwa no already free BB so tell her you be one man answer day. Teleprompt be one answer day because mama what be the mama said he was one of the students with the highest GPA normal. What I say? Next say uchire GIMPA any Yukon school no almost some exchange program be as afibia no nkro mewie hono no the our highest GPA school no etimi sponsor wo mo edumba USC ema omba toaso ewo hono mo 1 year scholarship no be your masters ewo ho ana say obe your master ewo that university ni mu enti enumo na this year no omuwe na Afrifa was one of the students with the highest GPA at the school no I granted Afrifa scholarship as omra Yukon ho MFA for 1 year Master of Laws. The 1 year LMM program offers advanced training in law and provides graduates with the opportunity to sit for the US bar examinations. Successful candidates may subsequently be called to the bar in the United States. Just say, I don't know what you said. That's cool, and advanced and extensive training in law. I say, as I'm our chance, so we are now. US bar examination be all pass here. You can be called to US bar. Yes, wait a US lawyer. Yeah, FIFA way add the name as your exam somebody to meet a pass or honor more. I may give some a pass or pass here. Or be a US lawyer. Hey, there are just then FIFA be a US lawyer. Because every for Ghana could also to be manual. No, I'll be a US lawyer. And look at you one answer suddenly. 1 year Saturday, over what I said? Regarding for the record show, Afrifa Mensah hinted that production will soon resume from his US studios. He encouraged followers of the show to stay tuned for more fearless and uncompromising content. The records will bounce back shortly from the USA, he assured. When you say, oh, ma 1 year, and yes, we could stay 1 year and I brought all my life, bunya with Obeba life. US honor or a certain studio will have very soon or the live say what the program no aber these are the pictures I FIFA are sharing the original school no hobby also at a classroom. But I say any other is a such a beautiful when you Photoshop Debbie when you Photoshop and make us a Photoshop and the Photoshop example say FIFA and what you're saying the empire it's very soon no we be FIFA e most screens for record besa abaso I say NTBA obeba. Until then, we any last video or post here and sana or free internet no eso.
For your man for no chile mukru. At the bar besi kuna ene ni nyina mechiamo. What the fast are my yakrofonso and konya wo nyina mechiamo. Ntiri nyina ka. Why? Be a tano dumasi nyina na ine frempo mechiamo. Aha sa baby a okodru aye jamasia asma ne nkrofonso mechiamo. Why? Minu ayukuni ya opomade wo kwan no wai. Solo mechiamo. Woni asante assembly ayasa kwakwa wo nyina mechiamo. Why? Kwakwa ye chairman polling station there. Nana Jumo Jamas mechiamo. Sa former chairman of AF Justice List. A year Nana Safo Kantanka. Nana Oda Mamichao in you. Sanso a year Nana Ayadansi. The most longest serving a year official of MPP in Ashanti region. Nana Dansi a Chiao. Sadia Bayano. Babia. Why? Amana sisi obedu na eye dumense nasefo Alhaji Hashim Nasara mecha wo munyina mecha mo why bibia answer ye bibia also answer avegovi ye dey peace talk no aba no mo ye ne nakura ja yi Penyah Jerry Ahmed o frame me and o sade bi kan ho say ye nyini sei ye ni sei ba ko wie sei eno so ya je sa adwen kire no ese kura de enua no mo bi ewie de ne seni ade o so eni yesa mfa kokuma se kura ne ne kuma se fo edi saa ne ye be ye no a kom se party be se gina ne na so we ye be ko ne tu kakra ewi ani akọ ye wontumi kakra ni akọ bra champion so station ni nyina ye nyina ba ko tron ne enyim oi It is all for the good of the party. Exactly. Well, I want to see an upon the horo. Kone kojare. That's a before na fuako. Why? You should be kum. We are just watching straight. That's exactly what we would do. If you don't come on, now don't mind him come on your baby. Nemo muna nessa the first na me can yan can say. Somebody can catch us say the unity of the Akan state is very paramount to me. It's near menotie. The now don't mind him here. The woman say be a buffo dear. Now so me and papa make my chere. Now so this time the make my chere and well measured. Exactly so. It's mba boda ro mapa ko yana tena so. Kukuru ni se nya ya. Keke kanu su nya ya. Na do ma hina dia wo ye no. Abono fo mo nsore. Mo nua no asantifo ne mu ni ntokwa. Do ma fo mo kura dia wo hina ye no. Wo hina dia wo ye no. Emfa so dia bia no de bebrem. Na ma kire mu die ntia. Dia na do ma hina mi am papa no bia na aduana fo na wo me. Dia na do ma hina ye emfa so bia no de bebre do ma na de bia bre bo. If it's another matter, one acquires sapine, or no one yet takraboa, and on so on your former boy. Now, don't mind him, your busa or your bunny. I watch Bunoni as Antentes. Never so the Bonosua, and your better than the coin before so this wife. As Antibetan as Asantia, near Bononos Yatsana Boko. Your wire and for so be any so. Now, Bonofon, sorry, no mumio money. Many sugar. Me yonko power, no ya bunny. Don't mind him. Dear, yama menen in term crossing. A old bogger. Minua pan on the first one. Domahina dear, no, it's me trauma the pania. If some can be tia domahina. Identity move brave. And you be this uncle. Mekoka galam says, Omdi matem. Nana galam said, baby, I can count on Yebehuno. Yebehuno, Yebehuno insurgency. Your friend be resource case. If you be this uncle or mine, a year resources. Esa dim puntu brewomo nanso o man bitimi nya resources na the cares abrewomo if so man man fo nyina mpe so me ya review ye be dis ankomo no ketokra ku no waye ku no de tete wanya ye na o de tete ye o de so ya hwe die ntia Kofi Adam sa ye din o mo test waters na we say ketati me change akota tem ni anya rehwe ani ya John so betimi aya na ye be dis ankomo enya djuma na enya djuma che entiano so ho na ye be koma nso eye bonteso se bonteso e ho nso de si ye wi a ye be ko eye ayisawi akontomra galamse de ekoso aye amansia south galamse de ekoso e wona mbe hunu si ye time bomb so Kofi nyame na meka ye time bomb so so afemi koka na ayi nano wo mo private jet na ko edai ya haibi ni ade na gala elangas ne so enkran obeka ye na no meni yo nu ntoko mkonya akura sa no obedi IGP eno na ehu ahunahuna wo mo yeso ne kopa yo nu chew na yo nu ne baba ahwe ye ochro baba na mse enya hwe makam no kura na ye busa IGP yo nu langas no woni wo mo wota wo mo a won so and now police you know a Langard age and you beko a regimental grey estate a dear coso yes so baby and I'm sure ni police in penny phone and you what the Langard say terrorize or more or regimental ho e wa bra wo mo ye court kradi order ba ye see more than it you be this ankomo no regimental for you be this ankomo no we be some topics in any afo be e beba ni ade no na mom na general obe resume someone am resume I go for man for 80 ya ku yanim o mo nyina say show no na mom ye wie ne show no a e bia ye be ko break for a while so medical catch up say some no aye bebre ye MPP die no ye school die ye say ni nyina ye be wi general racism ni o
Ibra go fi finance
we ya hwan wa swimmers
onkrofo no
blue water guard they join the buy so what they be pamo galamsey for and no my day anybody here
man na finance adaroma
awon kwachi obi okay ko hey eno mo yaduma I didn't know. Blue water guard no
or call reverse gear.
Some boys. Ono na wa kwa chegala msefo no
Ko reverse gear.
anu wo kwa reverse gear na yeah dia we make a job your mama e scam sa die ye ni ade wo di police for kra ye mfie be de ho anyi wa ko fa nkokra yi anyway asho mo so mo ye de mo ko che nkrofo no na galamsefo no nsu mi ko ana se blue water guard da na gunu so na wo gunu so no yes omo di amamu na da ni agudi o just for the boys no seriousness really yenye serious to any the fight na omo jira nso ye dai
omo me bro for no o sumi ko na ti no
mo he no ba kokura nyira dwi so betuma ko o gas one na jibi
as say reboot
mu resume another one yeah Bobby okay second raising okay and they here
also for
Mami T
say the my God say the best dia God mo bi office abaye anoba pa na obi arege me kasa free aguna ko nyako mun ko twa Flaster house mu sha be she a wrong move, my God. Praise the Lord. Elisha, I say, your pop, I will chroma. No, it's a president office. No, I catch him. Say, I put the headache. Yeah, boy. You need one man. You don't need many people. Penny papa could be a movie.
We a prophet Atajebi. We one of the prophet of Kenya. Na ni preaching ye relatable.
Exactly.
Na jwene mu do. We a prophet Atajebi. O Kumase. MCS Bokro mu ho ba bi ni ade. Ehwa. Ehwo no. Na wo manyamesom no eya akono. E so ka no kore. No na mpa so no okay. E se mo bi ensuma nkwa prophecy dem. Na afa na kwanya akofo do mo de beba. Obi obeda be so da bia be frɛ no wie no ma mo solution ɔse mo mpa nipa baako a mo ginidi enya agudie ni ade a de manfo na adwen di agura enemre mode na yi na se bi Rome krom be din semhunu agudi Rome kra sorry free oba obedi semhunu si abie papasi ba bia yi mode yi komhye beba na kin Solomon kura di san semhunu si wobeka se mabie kunkomhye ayi ministry ti momfa yimra ba dia bado agudie omo de manfo na dwere di agro na prophecy ni bebre so be frɛ na gya yapɛ mobile money amo. It is a way of suppressing them. It is not about the prophecy, but the rationale behind it. And it's after now, so for the get closer. Say, okay, oh, are you mirror? Oh, prophecy, they come up. You been 2,000 amount. Why? Nigeria, they are told, my journey.
Oh, he
what's your crab?
why lucky?
Any idea?
Mandani.
Namia day.
Wait, you charge you?
Are you charging why?
Why lucky?
Any idea?
Yeah, when you are Muntaka.
No, my day.
To force
Danny Bonnie. It was more seriously where you know, and I know more seriously. And I Muntaka Yaka say, Yamia to charge you. Why you lucky? Kabete. And then Yaji. I know, Akoye Nuano. And I to force him more serious. Nasa na no akwabe we ka so president Kufone Akufo-Addo serewa de na so na entwa yi na to force ni Muntaka do betimi asere hey munyai ni esukrai ose Muntaka ni mada kwa
sere
na obi ani ajepa bo se ni hane peja Muntaka no mo sere omu mioma no no abrofo sere o my footballers adai see ya no mo katakato wow nyamia twitwa agemo why you lucky yeah mo so kura mo petro mo dani yi o mo fro na ya brand yi ne yankonko ya yo yankona afi yanhwe na adoma hina asem o kan ene toto nyama ne bibro ma hu yi nani fameko na yebedi na adoma hene honkomo ekwan efa so na adoma hene pese da bia wo kan asante ne bono ebomu eti bomu eni ade na waya ade we ya mfie bebre na ajima wadama wo mre me wo ye na kandi se na ade ya mo power esi ya wini power ye wi ade asem biwa wo mabono ni asante ne ho nto wo mo yi na adoma hene wadama ade asem biwa Adia ya yentie na adoma hene na we yenka hu se bono champion council ana bone ni mu no na se ye bono champion fo na ahia dia me de kam hunu yi de wo kan bia ye de be pagya bono
more fire
eti yenko tie se de na adoma hene kan ho no ye de pagya bono yentie yi
call fire
and the poor any doma fo ahia ye odu ba bia binum Baka say asante sata no e kwaman onye no kuro to no ye kwaman I say we ma kan na so masa na kan say asante hene say no ye kwaman na nko obri ye boa de wo kwase ye o say tutu odi kan na nye ye oto so bienu no na nka ono kwa ye na kan ni ya oye de no offense hene we are fear campaign. No come. Why are they not going? Why are they not coming? Instead of that, I know what was so okay. Why are they not comfort? See, comfort Yamwa. Don't avoid any truth from. One who said that, you can say a Fabio. So I knew. Also, the baby and Bako can say the cool domain in it. Domain, you see, you're cool, you're anything. And you know, crack. Na say no premi e ku nine na wo ba ku ba ko na football nse nine no se ba ko
Gobi okay na do wane missing wo aduana fo na wo mie na ne mamusa wo bono champion ba bia na wo gina na wo di nkomo sa nkomo we no enkola enya adwuma nya wo area we edede na bebre wo mo na do wane wadaro mo papa wo hine wadama wadama gburu sa nkomo yi a wo Jesus here no emayu anu asebo mo nya adwuma nya no anu nti emrantie si wo mo ba sibra ya nyanyim wo mo at younger age no na wadama asebo no champion mo hia sa nkomo we de na bebre wo mo emrantie ma ba bono fo mrantie ene ma ba wane de na bebre wo mo na do ma hine wadaro ma o mi busabio na wadaro ma wani mu a mempopo ni mfere na wadaro ma akwan no anya wa bono ntam potemu do ma potemu no se bono nchampi mo hia suma hene na wadaro ma o mebu saw na do ma hene nkomo ya wadi no ade amfasode na de bre kwan ya enye no e wo eye bono de amfasode na de bre mo na wadaro ma wani mu a wadi amempo ni mfere ade pa na sa nkomo ya ane yeku ayi agona ayi ikonfo ya moa ane yeku ayi wo fenso ane yeku we yatia waka yatia wone wada mo wani mfari yatia we de be mfie be miensa ena ni waka ka yate no kore muku obri abua yanyem firi monsem obri abua na ku no ani nti ayi o se tutu ba wudwane firi ayi asuntra so wo firi suntra so na akọ wampam enti ayi anim sam eda ho yatimi enka hwe wadama na yebusa so ku ofenso hene wiafia kantenya ene ne sa history no 4 years ni waka ede dia na bebrewo enti bono champion mwashia a esenka nioma papa mu ye musi ye kobono edi ye kobono dia anka nioma efe wo bono ane ye mu bi ye pese ye tie anka nioma ye koso bono tourist attraction nioma papa anaka mu wie ye di hu nkomo guys afefefo e wo bono a ye nyina ye di ani me kire ho aba bono eno nkomo na ka mu di o akwanya enye ekwan ba ne be fa so ama abanya ye nuye bono nchampemu nkoso ene mu wie ye nkomo be ne edi onse mo de ye nko bono no kura ya nka ho asem esu ki ye ba bono na do ma hene ki ye ba bono ki ye be tourist attraction ho the economic viability abem enso wie ye nya no ne ye ka ho asem mese o de ye ka ho asem na golden stew ye ba ho na do man no wadawma ye do si dibia bia ye nyini kɔ ye nim ye nyini ma ye chi me pepo anim fere ade na wo ye no mesen se dachi wo nyini na abo akokora na atewa ubenu ho exactly if said dia wo titi wo nua no montem na se bi mpraduasa me papa akoye sa apan wonu fura kwamu ana otutu omu abeduru asante ana okọ na okoto abonofo yi na okọ na opese abonofo no ho bese no kromani waya mani yesa asese bi wo pa abonofo no asem kura chan ya abonofo no ankasa eti se mintimi muwa medi abonofo no so dia ana ekwan bi a mefa so a mesa emi nua no mo motedo oda sai a o maye bi mefa so
sa do ye
it wonu a wantimi ni bono hene efsi ya kambuno ni bomu kura no a okokoto suma hene ya kambuno bomu a okoto tachiman okoto nkranza edi se ne ya kambuno bomu kura ni ya se po bia mena di bono no eso a na adoma hene nyew na abedi ani mu efsa wonya bono ni afes wantimi ni ani mu sadia ade o de be excite wo mu a eye we versus them yanka ne ani asantefo nya ntokwa na menua no abonofo no ebebre na ye ono an personal interest fire if so they per court of appeal elevation sabi mpredu asante in wanya adwuma mu obia sante in nya judge wanya lawyer on pay promotion enti so ne sante in nya de wo ye no a ida se wo na ade pay promotion if say aban bi beba no wadidi ho eti ne yanya we versus them they papa de wo ye di ano odi o na mfatawo ohine mfataw mempepo ni mfariye mfataw ne mfataw china sa konya kase a edu wasi so no wona nka atwen ma mofra koye no afra ma ka chem se ba bia yedu no empuntuo ni yehwe enkoso ni yehwe enkola yeyo ni yehwe sa nioma we divisive wo na afa wo ye na wana betufo na watena nkonwa no ya no mutufo a utie die na wadaruma wo dia wo ye ne mpagya bono efse mu wie bono nchampemu yi enya bono nkomo ni yedi asante nkomo ni yedi na wanko ka asante asem wo ho aka wie enya bono nsem na nkeka eti bono fo minu ya bono fo. How does the Emba Pajima Bedu Yerbabuamo? Yubusamo. The Emba Pajima Bedu Yeno. And Waban and the Bramuabonofo. If some movie, yes, you can't borrow for some crown. Yan can't bono some. Tourism in Intia Mukoshia, yeah, Kobono. And I want a babono. Yen this uncle Monipo. It is not dominating the conversations that we're supposed to have. Mestre, when you are more for Monim Papechi. Messenger, one no do diano, yani adiano. Say, ya bononi asantini in our best shape. No one would the promotion a crowd on Fahon. After do baby in a panichi. Messenger, why and fan for Sudia Biam, and fan for Sudia Bredoma, Doma for Madama, one moon anime. Me a canisa de Moya Canino. Yamapa pay and fan for Sudia Biam.
Ubet match the wagon, Amame. Ewa comment session. I hype in your blog media. I crowd.